I categorically reject resolution number 1, which seeks to extend the presidency term beyond 2028. Sarabina mashoko brashto gwana Gifford Gomwe anobuda panguwa inoi ataura mashoko achiti aiwa resolution number 1 yemutungamiriri wenyika yekuextenda his rule beyond 2028 ngaimiswe ngaisitopewe. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon tipina panapa munau panapa mubuda nyokwa muchinze. The Constitution is clear on term limits, and any attempts to alter this provision is a direct violation of the democratic foundations of the Republic. Let it be known, ZANU-PF as a political party has no authority to unilaterally amend the Constitution. That power rests solely with the people of Zimbabwe, the ultimate custodians of our sovereignty and democracy. The claim that Zimbabwe lacks capable leaders is false, insulting, dangerous. It is nothing more than a self-serving excuse to justify the consolidation of power. Our constitution was deliberately designed to ensure peaceful leadership transitions and to protect the nation from authoritarian rule. Furthermore, Vision 2030 is a United Nations framework for sustainable development. It does not belong to any individual or political party. National progress must never be conflicted with partisan agendas or personal ambitions. As Gifford Gomwe, I call upon every Zimbabwean to stand firm, reject this resolution, and defend our constitution without compromise. Safeguarding our democracy is not merely a choice, it is our solemn duty. Thomas Kamuda panapa togona Gifford Gomwe achachiti aiwa resolution number 1 anakuya achiti I personally reject it ngaimiswe. Tudze mavhunduro enyu moti kudii pamusoro aiwa mashoko anobuda achitaurwa panguva inoi. Tiona kuti Mnangagwa's resolution number 1 panguva inoi inofesa resistance. Mina kumese kuchemedudza mavhunduro enyu. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.